Baffour Awuah MP for Nhyira South na mene ne betwetwe nkomo anopei oka omo na wono eboa nso se bibia be dwodwo asante mantem na inkunimdie tu atimi aba ama Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na anopei yebedi nkomo na yewurem kakra. Honorable, good morning. Bibia bokode
nyame edi adom yen
eda okropon ase adom ye ho ye pa first time I meet you ni happy new year so
happy new year to you too
Nhyira South fu nya ho ye de
o Yesu Kristo adom
Nhyira South boko I believe say Bawumia we ni ho
region.
Yeah,
you the second highest votes in terms of percentage.
Wonderful.
You remember Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia 79%.
Wonderful.
Last time you did third.
Okay.
But this time the Nyamiadom in terms of percentage there, Ashanti region, Nhyira South, Yama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the second highest.
Wow.
Number of votes.
Wow. The first highest Dr.
Awuah free.
Okay. That is Efiduhasi. Asokore. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. But move free a train where Pulia be second highest. Then the year magic in mama. How did you work it out?
Oh, and I make round Koda polling station executives na say. Na me fair fidi so nsa na wo mo say.
Okay.
Adesredi ede to omanimu a omutie.
Okay.
Wow. Ya na nkrofo bebre nte polling station executives na see.
Okay.
Ya na ye nkrofo se de obitumi hye wo mo anase obitumi de sika. De hye wo mo. There be polling station executives no omo ye timamufo.
Okay.
Enkomo amu ye die ewo mamu omote. Ensemo nipa eka ewo brono a omote so omunim. Ni nyina no omonso omotibi.
Sure.
Enti seba ne saa na ni nyina ka ho ohunti ekoso omuso ye de ehu bi. So ati ase. Enti bibia no omonso ani tuamu bi.
Right.
Enti untumi mfa sika da krope emehye wo mo. Enti di sika no ba omo begide but enye no na be mo mato aba ma wo. Enti se ba bia ukọ dwato ase omo nto aba ne nko no. Empempi rubon se na omo nso akoma eyede ewo ho. Tu dwato awo mo a na omo tie. Na omo age opini na omo ato ama. Sa na Nhyira South ekoye ye ko omo na nso edwato awo mo ka kire omo di ayemfa ne mra. Yemfa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia mra. Amperi ampa omutie ana omoto aba ne boom edema no. Tima me fa fidie so na polling station executives o Nhyira South ase. Omo coordinators nso electoral area coordinators omo di adwuma suo pa.
Right.
Na afi Dr. Bawumia campaign team na mesomeda no aye wo ho aye adwuma.
Right. But mona ska mo de kwase ye next one because all the candidates no all call rounds are all the constituencies are ye visit ye nyina no utimi se sika ekom be 500 cedis e be there 700 all the candidates obetin we Agyei we be kra konso wo mo de kra ya mfa mo in the form of say ye ma wo mo TNT. And a BTNT so che bi ni ade no ne play magic na
minim medical catch say nye sika no ene ye bribi
ba kakra koy
ti enye sika no ene ye bribi so what I say se nipa no ompewa obetumi aju sika bato nye de onto ma
exactly
ade amahu no na sky de ma polling station executives no me patronye se me betena ha na me defend it.
Right.
Na emum no se ukọ Ghana nkuru bibiri so a ubon se constituency bi wo ha krum kakra na form constituency no.
Right.
Ya na ode ba beto ba bi eto aba na ubon se mu kura achi. So what I say.
Right.
Ubi wo ha da no was so queer foom, where Jai wan queer foom, and I where Jaya or Betuaba. Ubi or Dano so could jum could dija. Dano wan co better on any macra day, edity. And tis a but now pekka cramom so, and then munji win a mon fanfaka. Na ebi so ene de wahwere bia no fashim na no ma ana no abusuo muso nya bibi ne a menyi ni se bibi so eya na ya ma na blow no out of proportion. Look, imagine say me Dr. Baumia ba me ho right, so oba no be share polling station executives,
right,
the meeting na say shase no so obedru me ho a ye share meeting ase na ekobo no nwotwe because okoba bi foforo na oba ho time a ye pon meeting no opanyi na nundu abo apa ho. Can you imagine nundu abo apa ho hwemra omwatwen papai obi ho a na kane no te constituency ni mu na batu nyina woto no ho de but say bia wotu kwa ekire enso still oto aba ho say dipa bed wakufie so ati ase ti to da bia ya mamu mi enhwe sika no yenhwe dwumadi a polling station executives no omudie.
But say even including the delegates omo amoba delegates ni bi kra ho no mo a omo nso eka sika no ho asem a say bi die kra mbedruye no mo ka candidates ni bi to say duchumen the others, but as for Baumia and Kennedy ni ade bi confirm so omo nsa aka the so omunya omo sika ni ade, but oh yeah member of parliament and you are aware say even when you go back PNDC law year 284 section 34 criminalize it, say masika something like ibia treating any undue influence nessa no money nyina no ya batu mu no matter how the election is, whether general election or ibia party within party elections or elections idea say happening saade no emra no ebra. Why are we encouraging monetization or politics? I say you mitria kese ni ekoto ama no de wantwa bi ni ade hadwen
so ka se de utmitria kese ni ekoto ama no ni bia dansidie wo ho se de utua kese ena weni ye
sana delegates ni bika
epacho eni sana delegates ni bi kamemente wona woka entina nke bi a wo bai nanka so me research am ye kire me se nipa utua kese na weni ye enti saade a monetization no yenhwe ne yenka wasem but when bibie no echese utua kese no ye den odi nkunim. So
that's not what I actually wants to mean. The me person say no. I think that me interest issue no. The me person say me say ebinom say the obetua kese no e no motoma no. Eti the otua kese no ye toma no. That is what some of the delegates says. But the me can say e dey nti na esi e disika. Ewura ya batu knowing that emra no kra no sebe ebra say sebe wudi sika na emanipa say bia aduane kra even food any sa no ma ye dey man krofo bra ye to aba no kra na emra ne etia. Why do you continue doing that?
The o kano the mimi nim na make
right
osi ebinom say
right
the mimi nim ne say nipa ne bebre wo ho a ba bia ye to aba no obufiri ba bi na ye den e beto so what I say inti ombe hie sika ye de ka omode ka beba ebi magyae omadwuma da no ma anko adwuma inti se bibia eyenkomo a ebetumi adie so what I say. But for now say wo mo bi lorry fare abeto abade na evidence bi any was said utu akese na ye to aba no ma no de opanyi ebe me den se ne wo ka no metumi no wa ya adwen. Some monetization your problem yenhwe kwa ebe fa so a yebisi ano, but until then no say unse make factual statements be so factual statements no I'm not able to agree with you on the factual statements. So what I say and some you discussing the application of the law even to the factual statements. So what I say it the me patch say yes it may be a problem. We can find a way to deal with it.
How do we deal with it?
For me, I think we need to understand it first. There are okay assumptions. Ebinum say.
Maybe say your both voice be here. on some of the people omoko jiska, they are accusing say ebinimu ajiska no ye momu sika papa but o man waba na ma candidates ni bi kakra bi na afi o de yinti ka ebinum kura do me binum nya me betria mu nyina aka wa mo kwaji sika mo sa tutia right there are a lot of them you know
me a lawyer ni
sure
tape ya oboye say
we asin central
we pacho unya free hefa wa na okutwa
ye representatives ni bi
wa na okutwa ye
enye me na betrai but we have reps there
well minimum no kra it means ntum wa ha.
So elections, you know, now conduct here, but what do you have to say about me? We have reps who actually
elections, electoral commission conduct here.
But
the position of the law is that when a duty is performed in an official capacity, right, there is a rebuttable presumption that it has been performed,
and that is for the media too. When our representatives have captured and is on camera as evidence,
the media is not an official within the laws of Ghana.
The fourth arm of government?
The fourth arm of government cannot be equated to the Electoral Commission of Ghana.
No, I'm not equating it to the electoral, but we also have our
analogy.
Yeah.
We are analogy.
Right.
We say elections, you know, conduct here. And I'm saying elections, you know, Electoral Commission, yeah. So what I say, intimate electoral commission tomorrow. Let's just report how many times a Munya report a Munya rejoin Munya retraction that.
But not all the cases.
But I'm saying it abounds.
By electoral commission to review the results 3 times.
Media.
So it does happen.
Media won't mean compare media. We see media move to electoral commission. Monetization a problem. We can find a way to deal with it. But I've told you what is on the ground. So I say,
right.
I don't think it is something that Mr. Ebuni and Yemchimu Pisa.
How do we deal with it?
Well, in terms of how to deal with it, meti idea openi. And it just be a party on a sodi panasing.
Okay.
And it just be a party in a police station executives nothing.
Right.
So what I say. Otherwise, nipa no obeba abeye adwuma ma party no. Sure. Ohwe asantemem ha. Nipa eto abama MPP ewa ha. Ebro 1 million.
Okay.
Now so here dedicated people are omodo omo hu bisi wo se omo ye adwuma ma party no.
Right.
Opanyi bi a wo kra to abama MPP. But ye probi amana kotata MPP poster. Me pacho obeja ho. Unya ho. Sanity. But ubia say na dwuma na daagye ne bre ekotata poster. Sa nipa no kwan ofa so bi duro so tata poster no panyin pacho unim sa kwan no. Unim. Say sa bre no adwuma bi a wo ye no wagyae ene wo ba betata poster no. Ntu kofi ade no ne yire ne maso bedie. Ana oni ne kunu so bedie. So, enti saa nipa na omatu omu asi wo se omu ye party adwuma no. De na ese party ne ye ma wo mo. So, enti bia party no ni resources. Se ni ye beto aba no ono komma nipa ni sika se onye mo na bosom na onfa bi mfa ka na onfa bi nhwe fie. So, but candidates no may have the resources to support anka ensehwe. But if in the circumstance is being interpreted, say, an inducement, then we can find a way to discuss it.
Right.
How best we can do it.
Sure.
So what I say. Right. But mambo me yet to say, Sebe, obi kutuye sika kesi inti obi tu abane yeden emano. When in fact the evidence available shows to say, enye du tuye sika kesi.
Okay.
Ani oweni abano.
Right. Thank you. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. The victory no say sha 2023. Now what 61. we must say we're to but I drop it down to about 57. We're running up 56.48. We're running up 57. It's surprising to Mokampo. Did you expect this to happen?
56.48. We're rounding up at 56.
56.5. We're
5 or more. And we're rounding up at 1. But if it's below 5, it's 0.
But the 8,
don't worry.
The 2 decimal places.
Don't worry.
They say, right.
The American say, so we share MPP abako semua. Since I expanded the Delegate album, contest be anywhere and why shit it is away.
Right.
Oh, say after Legon, and you co-expanded Delegate album, no. You created the Delegate Polling Station Executive System, no. You did polling station for an Etuaba. Free Sabre, no. And you Kotuaba yi nanado 2012, no. As your Franca Tuni.
Right.
And later on Sabre, no. Omuko contest. Okay, you confer super delegate no many adi na ba. But free Sabre no contest bia ni wa yakunu krum ha anu wo shepa te se de yeko yi.
Right.
Edikan ufano time 2023 Dr. Baumia koyena no ne Kennedy pe. Na enye one Kennedy pe but Kennedy man contest ba. Eja no bia nim se Kennedy oyobia ordin na o she.
Okay.
But nani penim so bit lunch matin na wakosa no will stay in the race.
Okay.
And na contest no I am more competitive.
Right.
And Alan Agyei Alan Agyei no Dr. Kennedy inya 37% and Dr. Baumia so nya 61 point something %. But so she contest we are Brian Bemuno Emma dynamics ni nyina asesai.
Brian Agyei.
Yes.
Wow.
Fi say utimi say ono so all resources no. O sha ase no what the polling station or the executives, so constituency executives ni be call the hotel Rock City Hall. They could lecture or more eye or more adwuma. And we started say we me the coordinators from the polling station executives ni be so alcohol. E could di omuhudwuma ye omuhudwuma ti akire yansa na ono TSC form. Ti by the time our TC form no na sebe within the rank and file of the party no na nidi ati say enti otisi form no ubia so di madwuma woyeye okọ all the 276 constituencies uwiye no and a selected regions so osabo remu.
Okay.
So what I say a poor polling station executives no sa no mu din komo.
Okay.
So for the first time you who Kennedy yere so what TSC form kaneno na ye papa Dr. Baumia ene ne yere Samira ana TC form a year adwuma. For the first time Kennedy yere so TC form.
Sure.
Unlike 2023 afanu nyina no especially Dr. Baumia camp yeah your Dr. Baumia camp eno omo Kennedy camp no omo so T groups are na omo na machire constituency by constituency air campaign. So what I say
right.
For the first time Kennedy oko 2023 no na oni MP ba akokora di nachi but we afid we nya MPs be 15 no di nachi Brian sunya MPs are no so eden edi nachi MPs na nkasa nso fe chire eye adwuma constitution mimi say me call Kumawu koye adwuma ma Dr. Baumia.
Okay.
So me say call other constituencies Accra ni Kumasi nyina koye adwuma ma Dr. Baumia. So what I say
right.
Eti sa contest we no since yes ye be ye delegate system no presidential primary bia ni ho a emu aye shit se we. So what I say o hwe contest we no nso a sabi na enye kasa keke Obia so chere di obetumi aye.
Right.
Nti na nye kasa keke. O hwe Kennedy a oba wo se adwuma sese adwuma na ye problem. Monto ma bena me nko create adwuma. Brian o se afanu no mienu no etire ne ye den enka. Nti monto ma bena me nka party ne ye den emom.
Right.
Afen so mi ankasa nso mi bia adwuma. Nti biso betumi aye den ebia adwuma. Dr. Bawumia so ba ono so so o bright ideas.
Sure.
Enti ye man kwan no mfa na ideas no emra fi say na ideas ni bi kura na aban o tiso e de ye adwuma. Enti ye man kwan no mfa ideas ni ye den emra. Opanyi contest we in the Fourth Republic me nyini se party bi anya contest anu o hise. Ebi mada. It's about me 56%.
Okay.
Because it was not an easy contest. We shared the campaign at Brian, for instance, around a year. The question was, a fan and walk of any vote free. Because Dr. Bawumia was 61%. Kennedy so in 37%. All things being equal, no. A fan walk of any vote free. Or budget free Ken Ho. Obeje free Dr. Bawumia ho. It is a yet day ana Ken Brian Bechi vote to nibi. Ti Brian koche Dr. De kakra. Eno koche Ken so de P. That should tell you how difficult, competitive the whole contest was. It's a Dr. Bawumia vote to so tiba 56%. It's only an indication of how competitive the whole race was. And I think at the end of the day, MPP men should be proud.
Okay.
Because you see, when we say nakasani bi wo enkoye, which is expected in every political contest, is expected.
Right.
Bibetumi aye hu bibi da achi ayenye. No mum no ense because ni nyina ankamfa no. We now have 3 front runners. The winner, Dr. Bawumia, having a set of rich ideas.
Right.
Nhyira Kennedy Japan having his set of ideas are also be to be their creative jobs. Nhyira Brian a champion so ideas will be to be creative jobs.
Right.
So you put it together, we now have something to sell to Ghanaians.
Okay.
And this contest for me is very important. Another thing as our contest we actually me. And they say you base I started bois.
Oh, okay.
It was clear to me. Say you base I started a bois.
Okay.
So what I say,
right.
because we shared the way our NMC play out, there was serious interest by the base. Utumi se nipa kasa wo krom monhwe you na manfa Dr. Bawumia ma ye ntoaba no monhwe you manfa Dr. Bawumia ma ye ntoaba no na no nye onu nti na ya nto ade bi na ye hintia so what I say
sana no mo kan wo krom
otinu krom otinu radio so even look Nana share Obitsa Manasa Azuri. We a serious critic of the MPP government. Nana at the time. So who articles are not true.
Right.
Say he said ma MPP phone could you mistake could you be for apart from Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Enti election bia ama ye base no anwa day aboa and we are ready to take off. It was a very beautiful contest. And yet, we want to Dr. Vote to sote. So anti because not because any pampeno. So because of the competition. So what I say.
Coming to that, no. Who say MPP primary since 92. Ubia a rising kakra. Oshe John Ejekumku for former president in 1996 51.99%, 1998 64.6. No climb or Kodima Nanado Kraninya the lowest from the start, which Bawumia performing at the start than Nanado because Nanado started with 47.97 thereabout, and Wokoya 78 in the year 2010 or a year 94 in 2014. That's the percentages. Bawumia starting at 61. Dropping to 56, going for the general elections, no. And you who say, I say, on one base, no, said you okay, on your contest, I move a ding on one fee, no. A year day man will lose some of the percentages. How clear would it be in 2028 for him?
So,
what I remember, Mike Nika.
So, share contest, our bunyana. na ebia danso contest ni nyina ebia danso ohwa ya papa John Agyei Kufuor time a okọ the first contest na owene ye no so the competitors are unyaye no na emu nye den to say the second one a oye den unyaye. So what I say, the second contest was a 2-horse race between Onone and Nana Danko Kufuor. What I say, it was a 2-horse race between Onone and Nana Danko Kufuor. Right. Inti a course nan Kenya Wawa. So what I say, Nana Danko Kufuor. Time one, Unyayano. The race was so competitive. Nipa 17 Nana age na. Nipa 17. Yeah. Inti Usha. Even Alan Crow vote Awuah were 40%. So what I say, and I'm not odi push elections no akwa second round. So what I say, right. But ono share ye no na ade no okwa second round na emwa. Enti na do na enya 50%, but Alan so enya 40%. Nipa 15 na aka no vote no dodo na kudi omho. So what I say, and yes, it was competitive. The dynamics was such that elections, no, nani pana ne woman no dorso into be a vote no kakran, and the man basa. Obuko money no, and na ye could for delegate system near day by police station executive system no ye day a buy. Police station executive system no buy no, a man near my day exercise because look, system where you created during your time. So they make out myself. Your creative system during Nanado's time, he had control over it, and people thought, say, "Afidie, you bet to me at Tuabanibia, assume see na obtain, and I'm here to me a day, air Tuabanibi. Tinanado vote no cause for sa time no, not a young one. Me patch what I said.
But then facing Alan, no, a very competitive.
Yes, it depends on the role Alan play in the expansion of the polling station executive system. Se nipa ni hu se Nanado na amaya kwanya se abeye matubia, they will feel indebted to Nanado. The dynamics in that election was also different. So now Dr. Bawumia, time your course in the first contest near Wabemu, right? The dynamics was different. Okay. Where Alan, time wa no 34% no. Nani Baffour say Alan was the candidate of the establishment. So what I say, time you co position, he was no longer the candidate of the establishment. So what I say, it to me a wa bem where the back end on nani hobby. It yakwe nani vote to so ye dey ever form. Dr. Bawumia first contest na oye candidate of establishment and ne onwa kona na ho odimu. Okono na ho odimu no. Unfortunately for him, there was also a friend saying Brian Champon. Ono so de ahoden foforo be share contest ni mu. Right. It is a vote no so tia. What they compare the atwamu no a enye. Also share all the circumstances are a play out in each of the contests. So what I say, and sana obetumi aba conclusion abaye. And nay de wanye se nyame ya adom na ohye ne su ne ban or the din utumi de kan nipa ni nyina abomu a, right? Emfa ho ne tie so tie. What I say, ubetumi anya nipa ni nyina sa di nachi. Eno ne ya ne ehia. Be no meeting the NDC side no. Mumfie say be a candidate or no benya full acceptance within the NDC side. Or Banabeje Ebiwo. I mean the entire Ghanaian side and no bit me I so strong than Bawumia. Oh, it depended how our NDC for the NUB play out. In play out into Koka ho asemo now we are speculative. Okay. Inti yanchen na omoso de no NC mayenhwe.
So candidates omobobo mudin wase ho nyina no enhye da nyi hu sa. Right. In the Fourth Republic, you started 1992 Constitution here the year Jumano. Right. Abai bia okope second term. Eka denu lose election. Right. In the Fourth Republic, since our Rollins Koye,
Oman Penny Rollins free so no. Aban bia ko second term a eka ketwa bi no lose election.
So better. Yeah.
And yes so na eti o. Eka ketwa bi no lose election 2004. Nke ya to ye.
Yeah.
Ya to MPP. Eno na nkrofo si Jacob Echebilamte kofa eko declare elections no. It was the first time an election petition was filed in this country. Right. But election petition, it wasn't even followed through.
Okay.
So what I say.
Right.
2012, Yura Professor Mills, Nyame to ninsa freno, Nyame mfa ne krensie. Oman Penny John Mahama pese obeba bidi ne second term no. Who they see they had to run the elections 2 days. Okay. Omoye first one Saturday, the second one omoye the Sunday was saying as a Friday, me refi days no. Omoye ne thought. Ewie ye no na controversy aba na ye call Supreme Court. So what I say. Okay, and now 2020 yenso ebito ye. Iti de akira wo ne say wa ba mu no. Wa ba mu no. Wona sabi ewose wusun ho. Wo second term no.
Right.
Because abako sema kire yen say wa wo ko second term no ya na eka de eka ketwa bi
na ho akire. Okay.
Now the summer 2028 eya soronko ne say on say abako sem wo ho say wa wo aban wote akonwa no so no o ko the second term bia no eka ketwa bi no lose election no.
That's true.
2. Now the massacre 2028 besa ya soronko so ne say Yera John Mahama onko bio
but the performance in the legacy be speak ya manana
President John Agyei kunkofo and the Ghana fo nyina bona baso
right
said you obey ye no fourth republic e bi mada meboa
sure
me patch on the performance in the legacy e be win election
no mulusu
ye lusu ye
okay
you see ade ama party lusu election no enye Ghana fo ebo wa baso and who hodie then so wow party for obinya appointment your friend na won fa so what I say
right
obi a campaign or ye campaign you know or pejuma watena fie num onya rehemu se nyame bo aban ne ba we di oyema ban oba ya amenya adwuma nipa na nida no so kra no openipa na we ohu no
asemi no abosu ababili
so what I say enti ye koto aba no nipa ne to was me me na me san koto na wo sa na oyire no mankodi ene me nko what ya dey say e wana asem ni nyina agiro enye modern bo aban na ebo opani 2020 na na do dan kwa ba aban mu ana Ghana for si galamsey eseye nsuo eyese e no so aban ne galamsey opani adia Ghana for so hu se ese omunsuo obane no mani nya nsuo anso wo so and so obane galamsey Ghana for na ne su yo se galamsey se yensuo ama nadie bebiraba yensuo me de yare aba eyese Ghana Water Company omu se ska bebre no mo de atochlorine e de ahohuru nsuo nani opani intina na dan kwanko bane galamsey no se Ghana for boje yensuo e wo senka Ghana for ka se papa yi wa ye de bi mada wo tumi kura ka se or the presidency beden ebeto so e ho na ye kolusu ye sita e wo all mining areas e ba ne saying because go and check mining areas no na omo ye MPP for Ghana MPP ayadwadi for any omo ye business omo party but odene sako kan wo mo no ya party fu afero omo so omo nto aba enti ye lusu ye sisa wo nyina what I say na na do dan kwakufu ado no aye free SHS ama Ghana for budget so ebi mada free SHS we dey game changer ye kwoto aba no na ye dim say free SHS for a omo sha ase 2017 no sa 2020 no na omo di 18 years it be beto aba no mato amayen e ho na ye kopre ye ko gira wo ne nkwankwanta ekowi akire na parliament ye lusu your majority the core parliament. I'm gonna be 137. After here independent candidate, ya nipa second deputy speaker. No aboye am yankwa e parliament. Opani power the ube lose and yet wow party for and the more lose power. And yet President Mahama legacy and then nipa omokofa ba and near ma omuye or party mu Miamini Kofi Boja Beside with the Jumanye. Miamini Kofi Boja Tua Beside Yamane She Ninja Ete Ashtawa Beside Yamane She. So I say Ahmed Mu Etitiwa Beside Omuya Yabo She. Etichira Ahmed Ankotoa. Nhyira so nkoto. Ninu ya biso nkoto. Miamini Kofi Boja bi nkoto.
There's almost well lose you can
sanity. So what I say, when the cover
but I think that when we say 2020 we lose a lot of the Galamsey areas, but I think they may check your Boise Eastern so the above and all those say yeah,
but
so
Boise Eastern and
other places. I know, but generally we can't say baby or me correct.
Me catch you say
yeah, sure.
Me more who say quite a fast
lose a lot of them.
What TUC hono quite that hono.
Yeah.
Before 2020 elections, they be a me fa kwan so na me ashemi. Miss I didn't MPP to me fix kwan. So what I say, me fa kwan so be na me ashemi. Enti omo mote sa kwan no so no ebi okoto aba ma MPP ya sante mem ha no opanyi yempehwiu
yeah
de ye ma me no mo pe eye baby a ebe ma omu dwadie akoso
akwan edwa
ne ade de ye pa no ti se wa anya ama no a opanyi
de
abufuo beba eti wa bo se vote ayenya wa sante mem ha 2016 eso te 2020 even though asantemem the ma MPP winning aba by 2024 na swat completely so what I say it opani emfa ho ne de obode baba wu medical ma dynamics no second term dynamics no kwan no about to hodada
but you see abusua me ne honorable Nana Agyei Baffour Awuah na etwetwe enkomo menhia south but finally minim se wo ko baby sisi anti ma menya wo kwan ne ewo mu nie minim se wa wo mpasua so napo na ye running mate 2020 after 2023 sisi de ugina ne mpabu amu nti wa ye free anye bia wo tie nkasaye no wase ho a looking at Brian performance ni ade no would you advise say I mean there will be a change
President Kufo Oko contest ni do di second Okofa na ye running mate President Kufo nya 64%. Echira will say about 36% of the party at the time no omanto ama President Kufo. Yera Nana Dodanko Akufo-Addo. Alanche Martin for so no. Na komo be second round o. So te ase. It is our time no nanka o se nipa eso of fairness nipa o di second pa dia. Nanka se Nana do mum be fa Alanche Martin. And so amfa no.
Yeah.
Quite a fast to choose running mate there. Dynamics no different.
Do you see a change coming? Say
President
be changing up.
President Kufo wants son running mate.
Okay.
Onene koya akusiye. Nana Dodan kwaso wants son running mate. Onene koya akusiye. Di enim wo MPP mu no.
Ba uchi na po comments ya omo keka say campaign mu no ase o kan ho bi na ase Nancy Nkro ko kan say nyansafo no mo party ni mu cabinet ni ade ase the comments bi omo susu say nka mo san no
me na me wo ho no o kan sa asem no yes so ni pampa wa asem a de obekam bia so atase mo me hu ni say running mate no enipa bebre na epre enipa bebre na epre eno a okaya eno a contest on its own.
Sure.
Even though you're in Twaba. So what you say? There's serious lobbying going on.
Right.
Now, bit in the Nibuno who say, Katechi, Adi to me a dibia. Ono so betu na mo wo ho. Enti niam na bebre wo e ba muntia brebre o maminu apanyi Dr. Matthew Boku Prempo. What I say? Yenhwe na yen lose very fine brains.
Right.
It will chrome has say.
Right.
So what I say? Intimacy. All
right.
I say
Honorable Maminya Oneko. Now, I think that
one question more now.
Question me.
The time was
there be one question. Also, Honorable, the last election of 2023, Dr. Mahmoud Amenya 61%. This time when you're 56%. There are two schools of thought. If you believe it's based on the monumental defeat of 2024. Now at least what we achieve in science we say equilibrium. I say it's almost an equilibrium. The decline is not that sharp because Akufo-Addo had 47. The next time 78. Kofo honestly increase here. So that has been the trend. Some believe that based on the backdrop, how keen the contest was, the loss of 2024. If you believe he say where do you stand on this two schools of thought?
Contest will be mad. Into me feel so why there pa and now share the timelines here the year contest no wako contest ba kwa bananu ya sebe ankuyi yes yen sankoto primaries bio
the resources
the psychology in fact I was here born abaso hey opani it's so easy so wako contest aba obia can be chire no and na we say to even organize himself say obesa kosa contest we open here see abonabaso why are there
sure honorable yeah that's the pay
so that way right
ebusua me ba is here